welcome to our YouTube channel Health and Beauty Tips. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to moisturize your skin. To moisturize your skin, you need to have two things. One is Johnson's Baby Oil and the other thing is egg white. But before starting this tip, please do subscribe to our channel. Now I am going to show you how to mix these both and get moisturized. So we need egg white from this. We put some egg white in. And put some Johnson's Baby Oil. Mix this mixture well. This well and it is ready to apply now. Apply this to your face. Let it dry for some time. Use this technique twice a week to get better results. This is how my skin looks and it looks so moisturized. So please apply this technique on your face and you can see your moisturized skin. And please do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.